Today we have a 1998 993 C2 Cabriolet in Arena Red. It's had 2 owners from new, 17,000 miles. It has been maintained meticulously. It is in exceptional condition throughout, and we're going to let it speak for itself, so come along with the road test. Alright, well, she is already running because she has a 911 and we know they start. It is boiling outside, so we're going to put the air conditioning on even though the top's down. Basically because you get to mid-50s and you think, hey, you know what? It's not going to rob that much power from the engine, and I'd rather be cool. Thank you. We were recently lucky enough to have a 30,000 mile 96 Arena Red 993 coupe, and we were pretty lucky to have one in such great original condition, but this one even tops that. So we're going to warm it up a little bit more and do our usual. So we'll be right back. Okay, well, we put the top up because it is so much nicer with the air conditioning on today. And we are navigating through the back streets of Huntington, where in fact I have no idea where I am. But we're going to come out onto our curvaceous road at some point and just show you that it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. We'll show you that the top works really well, all the electronics are working really well. It's got motor sound package, it's got silver dialed instruments. We're now at Pennington Drive, which basically means I still don't know where the hell I am. Clutch, gearbox, everything feels exactly as it should. And I think we have some luck here. Yes. So here we are, and we are going to use some corners here that lead up to our flyby area. Not sure what else we can say other than she is a 911. 993, 911, last of the pool cars, and the most bulletproof of them all. The one, in my opinion, that has a lot of character of the early cars, but many of the amenities of the new cars, but don't feel as modernized as some of them. Let's say a 997 or 991. So it's still got that 911 feel. You can downshift and take the curves with the best of them. And then there's 911 braking. already know you can drive the car extremely mellow, extremely docile around town. Third, fourth, which you can pick up with fourth gear easily. Fifth, sixth. So you can cruise all day long. And then as usual, if you want some giddy up and go from a 911, here's third. So 911 and its power and drivability are a given. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested, we're welcoming everybody's interest. Have a nice weekend.